In spatial apperception, you identify the aircraft's position and heading using images of the horizon and ground features. This skill is essential for maintaining proper orientation during flight.
Choose the picture that best represents the same aircraft when viewed from the outside.
The correct answer is D.
The aircraft is in a climbing attitude while banking to the left, as shown by the upward pitch and the tilted horizon line.
For more practice
The
and
C
better
appears
scores,
on the left
you can
side of the
download
view,
SIFT Tutoring
confirming
app.
a left bank.
If you need a one-on-one
From an
tutor,
external
please visit our
perspective,
website.
this means the nose is raised, and the left wing is lower than the right, which matches option D.